Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. Today I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode in Brave browser. So to do this process, first things first is you can just simply go ahead and open up the Brave into your computer and go ahead and select one of your profile. And then over here to make everything black, you could go for the three lines at the top right corner. You should be able to see here the gear icon, which is the settings. Here on the settings, you should be able to see on the left side, appearance. So guys, go ahead and select appearance. And you should be able to see here, theme. So select this one. You should be able to have an option over here, light, or you can go for dark. So having the dark option will mostly do the thing. And you could have the taskbar as well. The theme will be the gray over here, and pretty much that's all you can do. And if you really want to go dark, you can just simply go for this website, brave double colon slash slash flags, and you can just simply go ahead and search for dark. And from here you will have an option, auto dark mode for web contents, so you could enable this one as well in order for you to do this process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.